Today we're making a cozy beef shank dinner, slow braised. Rich and so tender it literally melts in your mouth. Start by patting the shanks dry and seasoning them generously with salt and black pepper. Lightly dust them with flour. This helps create a beautiful crust and a rich sauce later. Heat oil in a heavy pot and brown the shanks on all sides until deeply golden. Take your time here. This step builds flavor. While the shanks are slowly browning, I prepare the vegetables. I chop the onion, slowly, into small, even pieces. Then the carrots, sweet and colorful. And finally, celery, fresh and aromatic. Everything is cut nice and small, so it melts into the sauce later. No rush, just quiet prep and cozy cooking. Once browned, remove the shanks and set them aside. In the same pot, add diced onion, carrot, and celery. Cook slowly until the vegetables soften and turn lightly golden. Add the chopped garlic and tomatoes. Let it cook just until fragrant. Return the shanks to the pot. Now comes the magic: cinnamon stick, star anise, fresh thyme, and rosemary. These warm spices give the dish a deep, cozy aroma. Pour in the stock, scraping up all the flavorful bits from the bottom of the pot. The liquid should come about halfway up the meat. Cover and let everything simmer gently on low heat. Slow cooking is the secret here. After a couple of hours, the meat becomes unbelievably tender, and the sauce turns rich and silky. Once the shanks are fork tender, remove the lid and let the sauce reduce slightly. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. All the vegetables, the spices, and the cooking liquid stay right in the pot. I use a hand blender and blend slowly until the sauce becomes silky, smooth, and completely velvety. No rushing, just gentle movement. Now I add half a cup of cream, slowly, and stir it in gently. The sauce softens even more, becomes luxurious and perfectly balanced. This is what makes the dish melt in your mouth. While the sauce rests, I prepare the couscous. I place the couscous into a bowl. Now I pour in hot water or stock, slowly, just enough to cover. I cover the bowl and let it sit, quietly, for a few minutes. As it steams, the grains soften, light and fluffy. I uncover and gently fluff it with a fork, separating every grain. Add a pinch of salt and a small piece of butter. Fluff it again. Soft, warm, and ready to soak up the sauce. Serve the shanks over couscous, mashed potatoes, or polenta, and spoon plenty of that beautiful sauce on top. This is comfort food at its best: cozy, aromatic, and perfect for a relaxed dinner at home. If you enjoy slow, comforting recipes like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this recipe for later.